Okay.
So
that's in a nutshell, that's how we pour a footer out of the truck. We're working in a really cramped quarters here, so we're having a little problem with the truck around, so it's taking us a little bit, but we're professional. We can handle it.
yeah, we can see it because you have some hand signs that you have to have with the driver, and there are specific signs in order to communicate. Probably you acquired that experience along with more than 20 years of experience.
That's correct. So from here we're going to move to the other side of the entry here that we're adding on, and we're going to set up and do it again.
Okay, Mr. Herod, this one type of service that EBC Construction Service offers, could you mention a little bit more what type of other services that your company provides?
We're a general contractor. We do from A to Z basically when it comes to contracting. We'll let that horn out. But we'll take the customer from the beginning stages to the end. You know, we do a lot of concrete work, masonry work, as well as custom work, commercial work, residential work, additions, tear downs, demos. We're a full service construction company.
Okay, and do you provide free estimates to the customer? And what is your direct line for direct contact with you?
You can contact me at 561-287-0583.
All right.
And we answer the phone at all the times. You can hear it ringing now.
Excellent. Thanks so much.